Hello everyone, my name is Anshu and I'm going to present a presentation. So let's start. So a girl whose name is Kelsey was celebrating her birthday with her friends, and meanwhile her brother comes whose name is Grant and he was Gimp, and then he goes to his sister and he says, "Can I sit with you?" And then his sister say, "No, actually we were just leaving." And then they goes away out to room, and then he says to his sister, "Hey, where are you going? Can I come too?" And then she says, "Just stay away from me. You're just embarrassing me in front of my friends." And then they that Kelsey and her friends was going to play dodgeball in dodgeball area, and then his her friends and Kelsey and her friends, whose name is Lee and Bianca, was playing dodgeball, and they start choosing team. Were playing dodgeball, and then they choose team. They start choosing team, and then Bianca says, "I'll be the first captain, and if you want to become second captain, so you can become because you are birthday girl." And then Kelsey runs to that Bianca, and then they start choosing team. When Bianca choose Cameron, and then before Kelsey choose anyone, her brother comes and he says, "Hey, I wanna play too." Then he stands with players, and then Kelsey choose Tanya, and then Bianca choose Megan, and then Bianca choose Eric, and and then Bianca choose Eric, and after that there is only space for one player, and the last two players remaining, whose name is Stephanie and Grant. And after thinking so much time, Kelsey choose Stephanie instead of Grant, and then Grant feels bad, and then he says, "Hey, I wanna play too." And then Stephanie says, "Oh, loser, you." And then Bianca says, "You didn't get picked up. Sorry, loser." And then Grant says to his sister, "Actually, hey, I wanna play too." And then Bianca says, "Sorry, you didn't get picked up." And then Kelsey says, "You heard what she said. Get out." And then Grant goes back to his class. And after playing dodgeball, Bianca and Leah and Kelsey was going back to home, and then Bianca saw that Grant and Kelsey's father was stand near the car, and then she says, "Hey Kelsey, why is your dad with that gimp?" And then she says, "I don't know, but I gotta go." And then she goes to his dad, and she says to his brother, her brother, and she says, "Hey, what are you doing? Wait inside the car." And he says, "We got picked up your favorite cake." And then before his father shows his cake, and then accidentally Grant pushes his dad, and cake falls down from his dad's hand, and Kelsey starts shouting on Grant, and she says, why are you getting transferred into my school?" And that after that, her dad says, "Hey Kelsey, calm down. This is accident. It doesn't mean that." And then she said, "This embarrassing. I don't want to know anyone. To he's my brother." And then she says, why did he had why that he limp? Why did he had that limp, that weird limp? And then his father says, "He didn't allow to tell you the truth, but now I think that it's time to tell you truth." And then she said, "When you were too little and you were inseparable, and you play on streets, and once day you was playing on street, and you slowly goes to road, and when a car comes very fast to you, and your brother comes and uh, pushes you uh, behind the road, and then he sacrifices himself, and then after he lost his leg, and then Kelsey and his father goes to hospital, and then doctor come and he shows a report to his dad, and then doctor says he will never be normal again. Then and his dad feels sad, and then after hear the truth, Kelsey starts crying, and after and the next day, Kelsey and her friends was sat on table. They are just talking about something, and one of her friends says, "Your brother that Gimp is coming again." And then she says, "His name is Grant. He's my brother." Then she says, "What?" And then she say to his brother, hey, can you please sit with us? Why not you sit with us? And then he was coming to sit with them, but her friends refused to sit with Grant, and she says, why that gimp will sit with us? And then Kelsey stand up and unzip her jacket, and she says, I don't want to be anymore here. And then she goes to her brother, and she says, do you wanna play dodgeball later? And then he says, yeah, actually I love to play dodgeball. And then she says, okay, we will play after class, and can you be in my team? And then he says, okay, I will. And then after class they goes to play dodgeball in area. Thank you everyone.